Happy morning guys! Definitely or madalas natatanong nyo ang sarili nyo, why do I ride kahit mainit at nakakapagod? Aminin natin, riding has been an outlet for us to distress. The feel of the wind makes us feel free. Yan ang madalas mong maririnig sa mga riders. With the busy life we live in, it is just right to find an outlet to relax and recharge. And I'm thankful that our two wheels has gave us the opportunity to explore places. And nandito ako ngayon para bigyan kayo ng rason magmotor sa lugar that can give you serenity and a place you can just relax and a destination you will always look forward to your weekends. Let me give you a look inside Club Laia. We're now here at Laia, Batangas. Dito ko ngayon sa Club Laia kung saan dinidiscover at ina-explore natin ang ganda ng leisure beach resort na ito at yung mga developments na ginagawa nila dito ngayon. So soon, dadaling kayo ni Inday dito para makita nyo rin for yourself ang mga properties at mga developments dito sa Laia. Kama, samahan nyo ako. Camper Resti, isa sa mga accommodations ng Club Laia dito, besides the cocoons. So here you have the 1, 2, 3 campers na kinonvert siya for accommodations and lodging facing the beach. O, diba? Ang saya. This is one of a kind experience only here at Club Laia. Lanco Leisure Property Development is actually around 151 hectares in full development here in Laia. So dito pala sa Laia, sikat na itong Laia sa ating mga beaches. Ang dami ng mga resorts na nakatayo dito. And definitely this will be the go-to place na pag summer lalo na. Actually all year round naman marami pumupunta ng Laia. Here in Lanco, we have here the Club Laia, which has two developments na tinatawag nila dito ang Club Laia and the Playa Laia, which is more of the exclusive residential properties. So nakikita rin dito sa likod ko yung sikat na cocoons. Diba? Alam ko, definitely you have heard about this accommodations here at Club Laia. This entire development is actually around 24 hectares in project development ngayon ng Lanco. Lanco is known to be developing leisure properties for people to enjoy and relax and spend some time with family. So, napakagandang development that I really want to recommend to you all guys. So, here you see the cocoons, around 30 plus na cocoons that you can rent and for accommodation siya talaga to public. And you can enjoy the beauty of the beach of Laia, which has around 1.7 kilometers in coastline. Hati yan sa Playa Laia and hati din sa Club Laia yung portion ng coastline niya. And we have an ongoing construction, we call it the Spinnaker. Yan po. This is a condominium development. You can use it for residential and at the same time for leasing, Airbnb. So if you want to invest here, maganda to kasi frontage na actually is the beach. And kitang-kita nyo, this has an ongoing project which has 22 floors. A mixture of studio until 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedrooms. Tapos may helipad pa po yan sa taas. O, diba? They're building a community around here. So kung gusto mo rin magnegosyo tapos meron ka ng bakasyunan, ito rin yung perfect place din sa inyo. You see more of Landco here in Leisure Properties ng Landco from Inday Rider. Iisa-isahin natin yan at i-share natin sa inyo. Kasi para sa akin, nakagala na ako. Nakatulong pa ako sa inyo explore kung saan kayo pwede mag-invest.